What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fitness 45. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair an Airdyne monitor. The tools you're going to need are a wire brush, Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. First, disconnect the monitor from the pickup sensor and remove these 4 Phillips screws. You can perform this repair with the monitor attached to the bike, but for the video I'm going to remove it. Now remove the battery holder. You can see there is corrosion on the contacts. Don't worry, this is normal. It's caused from the batteries leaking potassium hydroxide over time. Remove the batteries and use the wire brush to clean the contacts. This does not have to be perfect. You just need metal on metal between the contacts. If there is corrosion on the monitor's contacts, clean those as well. Now you can reinstall the batteries and attach the battery holder. If it works, that's great. If not, remove the battery holder and adjust the contacts on the monitor. They may not be making contact with the battery holder. Be gentle though, as they are thin and can break. Push them up slightly. Try again and see if it works. If not, you can try adjusting the contacts on the battery holder itself by prying them up with your flathead screwdriver. Play around with it, and I have faith that you can get it working. I've worked on hundreds of these, and only a handful had truly broken monitors. I hope this has helped you repair yours. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your monitor working if it's missing the battery holder. Until then, take care.